Hi, David here from More4apps. One of the things people ask about is organisation assignment, but on top of that, applying a template when assigning to multiple organisations. Let's take a look and see how it's done. So here we have a template. We've got templates for both the 001 org and the 002 org, and we're just going to set the inventory planning method, the make, buy, the planner, and a min-max quantity, just to show how you can apply a template at the organisation level. So the first thing I'm going to do in the More4apps Product Definition Module is take these items and create them in the master organisation. We validate the data in the spreadsheet, then we call Oracle's Web Service, and as you can see on the left, the items have all been accepted. Now let's assign these items to the 001 and 002 org. I'm going to set the line item upload action to create, and I'm going to default that so I don't have to type it in. I now put the 001 org against the items, and then the 002 org against the same items. I'm then going to choose a template. Here I'm using a user form to select the template. You don't have to use the user form if you know the template name. In this example here I know it's 002 min-max, and I just use standard Excel and fill out the rest. And I simply select the items and I upload them. And that's going to create the items in these organizations and apply the template. We can also use the integrator to download the item for all the organizations, and you can see there to the right the planning information is there from the templates we've applied. Thanks so much for watching this video.